Today we will make very simple project. We have two scrap wood here. The first one is a fine wood at this size, and the second one is a small thick wood. The question is, what will we do with this two scrap wood? Okay, let's start. In the beginning, we go to a table saw to do some trimming on the scrap wood and cut the scrap wood based on our project plan. The next process is I set my blade into 30-degree angle and check the thickness of the scrap wood, and also compare with my blade. I set my blade into 50% from the thickness of the scrap wood. I start to some cutting. We start the drilling process. To ensure we drill on the exact point that we plan, I use the small drill at the beginning, and then we continue with the big one with size 12. And the last drilling process is I use the middle size of drill to drill on the corner. We mark the wood where we will do some cutting. Now we do some cleaning the mark of the table saw blade. Next process is a sanding process. First sanding, I use the grit 80. Always love the sanding process because this is the first process that I learned on woodworking. The second sanding process, I use 240 grit to ensure the wood is smooth, including every detail have to be smooth. The last process is coating or finishing process. I use the melamine coating to avoid stain due to the fine wood have very bright color. Here we go. This is all the result from our project today. We turn the scrap wood become something valuable. What is this? Okay, I'll show you this one first. This is handphone stand for the landscape position, and this one is for the portrait, but this one also can use for the landscape position. Look at this. And the last one is a key tag, but this one also can use for the handphone stand. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do subscribe if you like it. Thank you everyone.